The scandal over the promotion and selection process at the Michigan State Police Flint Post gets deeper tonight. 5 troopers are suing the agency and some former MSP employees, claiming they were passed over for promotions in favor of certain people who they say were handpicked. The troopers are seeking $25,000 in damages. Their attorney tells me many of them, had they been promoted at the time, would be on their way to or possibly be in a higher ranking position right now. But that's not what has happened.
The careers took this big hit.
Michigan State Police allows people to seek a promotion after a certain amount of time on the job. Typically, it entails an exam and some objective scores.
You don't change the rules mid-game. You don't do that stuff.
And that's what this civil lawsuit filed in the Michigan Court of Claims alleges. Attorney Kevin Kelly with the Mastro Marco firm says this was a conspiracy for more than 3 years.
Basically, how the conspiracy worked was they'd pre-select the person they'd want to promote.
Those promotions went to people who are part of this hand-selected group.
They did that by giving the pre-selected candidates copies of the interview questions before the interview happened.
A problem when you expect that everyone will be judged on the same merit, using the same standard developed by Michigan State Police. In a statement from MSP, Communications Director Shannon Banner says, quote, "The integrity of our promotional process is of the utmost importance. Upon learning of the conduct of the former leadership of the Flint Post, as revealed through our own internal investigations, swift action was taken to remove the commanders of the Post. The actions of these individuals were deeply concerning and not in line with the standards and values of the Michigan State Police."
Why did it take so long to get to this point?
Well, I think that's part of the conspiracy, was to keep it quiet. A whole lot of people, again, you'd think, police officers, if they're going to violate the law, you'd think they'd be smart about it. And they were, and they kept it in a circle of individuals that knew about this, that they were all loyal to Yvonne Brantley.
After an internal investigation into the selection and promotion process in February of last year, MSP revealed several people retired or were terminated. Yvonne Brantley, the former Flint Post commander, took an early retirement instead of being fired.